So I considered the deep things of God coming into the deepest part of our very being. And think of it, that's the most precious part of our Papa, who comes right to be one with our spirit, seals us. The enemy can't get to our spirit at all. But we still have decisions to make, don't we? Well, this wonderful thing, if you think about it, this wonderful thing that our Papa did for us, we are fully equipped because the same power that raised Christ from the dead is residing in us. Now, according to Genesis, we're supposed to be, the earth is our dominion. We're supposed to be doing something good on this earth. We're supposed to be not only doing something good, but doing what Papa wants us to do. He has a destiny. He has plans for each and every one of us. Go back to Ephesians 1 again. He had it before time was even made, when we were in his heart, before time. He had us planned and purposed and everything. But just like to get people to, it's like the serpent or whoever the accuser, whatever you want to call him, the father of lies is alive and active today, and he wants to keep you from your destiny. But Papa has other plans.